What's good, people? I had to come in real quick because I have a little announcement. I'm going to be in a hair show next few days. Late notice from me to you because I forgot about it, and then they hit me up. It was like, hey, you still going to be in this hair show? I was like, oh, huh? It's in the city that I live in, so if you're in the eastern North Carolina region, you come on and support your boy. You know what I'm saying? It's my first time being a hair model. One of the females who used to do my hair back in the day, right before I did a little bit of interlocking, if you remember that, through my journey. That was like 5 years ago. But she gonna be there. It's gonna be a Loc It Down competition. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a showdown. You feel me? It's called Loc It Down, the show. Loc Showcase and competition. There's gonna be food, music, entertainment. Come on, eat. Come on, dance. Come on, see what's up. Feel me? Network, communicate. Feel me? Get your shit out there. I don't know what you want to do, what you got going on. Go ahead, come on, you know what I'm saying? Support, eat, kick back. It's going to be February 10th, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'm going to be there early, so don't worry about me. I'm going to be there. If you want to go there, be here, there, all that, cool. If you can't make it, wish me luck. We in there. If you need tickets, you can get tickets. I got the link in the description. Need the address, link in the description, all that. But had to come at y'all with an announcement because I'm gonna be in a hair show, so you're gonna be seeing footage of that. But until next time, it's your boy. I'm at work. Peace.
What it is, you got locks and I got tips. Information for your ears. Tell me what you wanna hear. Loc Nation, Loc fam, we in there like booty here. I appreciate the fans, so I ain't going anywhere. Coming through with the product so you can know what you copping. No extensions are involved when you growing them proper. Gang with the locks, arrows be the style of rock.